Welcome to M365 Professional. Hi, I'm a product manager on the Planner team. Today, I'm super excited to show you how you can use Planner to manage your tasks efficiently. In the collaborative world of projects and teams, sometimes what you truly need is a personal compass, a space just for you. At the Planner, uniquely designed not just for the team task, but also for your individual productivity needs. In managing individual tasks, Planner offers a purpose-built My Task view, designed to centralize all the tasks that are relevant to you. My Task is organized into 4 distinct use. Each subject are unique purpose. These use are all private tasks assigned to me and flat emails. Let's now look at all the 4 views. We'll start with private tasks. Private task is a place for you to quickly short down tasks at the speed of thought. This is the first stop to add tasks before organizing them folder. Let's create a couple of tasks. Once you have the task captured, you can easily transition them to any plans using the remote functionality. Let's move the task. Prepare demo to product launch event plan. Let's now check where this task moved. We'll select My Plan, and then select Personal. And here is the plan where being of the task. You can see the task that we just moved to the plan. The task and personal plans aren't shared with anybody yet. You can create a bunch of such tasks in a personal plan, and then share the plan with the members that you wish to. You can also organize the task in a board view on such plans. Let's now focus on the powerhouse of My Task, which is the Assigned to Me section. This is where tasks assigned to you from different sources within Microsoft 365 plan. Whether it's a task from low component, an action item from meeting notes, or task from personal plans, shared plans, or premium plans, Assigned to Me consolidates them all. The beauty of Assigned to Me is that it alleviates the worry of missing out on important tasks. With everything assigned to you centralized, it's easy to stay on top of your workload, prioritize, and execute tasks diligently. Let's see it in action now. Here I'm in the team chat and I can see the tasks that are assigned to me. Next, let's go to the Loop company and check the tasks that are assigned to me in the Task Loop component. In Loop, similarly, I can go to my plans and see the tasks that are assigned to me, but with Assigned to Me, we don't need to hop from one view to another. As I mentioned, Assigned to Review consolidates all your tasks, so you can notice few tasks that we just observe appear here. Again, one of the most important factors is all these tasks are always in sync. So you can act upon the task in one of the endpoints and it'll get updated in all the other places. Let's not check flagged emails. All your flagged emails from Outlook appear in the Flagged Email section. You can also navigate to the emails directly from the task by selecting the attachment. It'll open the email and you can act upon it. Finally, you provide an aggregation of all your individual tasks from private tasks assigned to Review flag, the made, and even the tasks from the personal plans. 2. You can filter these tasks and sort to meet your needs. By Day is a clutter-free focus space that helps you stay on top of tasks that you want to work on today. Tasks that are due today will automatically show in your Mighty. You can also create tasks that you feel are important and may need your attention today. So planners, individual task management features can empower you to take charge of your unique responsibilities and manage your tasks from everywhere. Dive in and redefine efficiency with Planner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.